What we need now is a mixing bowl. There should be some in that cupboard.
Is this one all right?
No, a bit bigger than that.
How about this one then?
That's better. Now, do you see those bottles on the shelf?
Yes, chef.
Find the balsamic vinegar and the olive oil. Put 1 tablespoon of each in the bowl.
1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon olive oil. There!
You need to whisk them together. There's a clean whisk on that counter.
They're starting to mix now.
The dressing needs a little bit of seasoning. Add in a pinch of salt and pepper. I said a pinch, not a handful.
Sorry, chef. I like a lot of seasoning in a salad.
Yes, but the customer might not feel the same way. Have you still got that tablespoon?
Yes, I've got it.
Okay, stir the chickpeas and the peppers into the dressing.
Yes, chef. Is that everything?
Yes. Now go and put these salads in the fridge until dinner service.
Thanks for teaching me, chef. Next time I'll be able to do it on my own.